Hi everyone. We sent you all a practice permanent makeup machine. We want to emphasize not to use this machine on human skin. Its sole purpose is to practice on practice skin or foam paper. Let's take the machine out of the box. This machine can be used with either the power input port or with the portable battery. The power input port is already attached to the machine. Take your power cord and plug it into the power input port. Make sure it snaps into place. Then plug the other side into a power wall socket. Open the 3-point needle cartridge that came with your machine. Insert the needle into the needle port. Turn it counterclockwise to lock it in place. Give it a tug to make sure the needle is locked in place. Here is your needle adjustment dial. On the dial is a little white out needle arrow. There's also numbers from 0 to 2.5. These represent millimeters. The lower the number, the shorter the needle length. The higher the number, the longer the needle length. Let's adjust our needle to 0.5, which is an ideal length for all the procedures. Make sure you're lined up with the white arrow. The silver button will turn your machine off and on. When you press it down, the machine turns on. When you press it again, the machine turns off. Let's go ahead and turn our machines on. Once the machine is on, we can adjust our needle. Remember, the machine has to be on in order to adjust the needle. To adjust the machine speed, turn the speed adjustable screw here. The speeds range from 1 to 4, 1 being the lowest speed setting and 4 being the highest. You can see the numbers through this little window. You can hear the machine rev up as you turn the dial to the number 4. Let's adjust the speed setting to 1.5. The machine is now ready for practice. If you want to use the portable battery, simply disassemble the input port and screw in the battery pack. The power button on the battery pack is on the back. It only has 3 speeds, 1, 2, and 3. 1 is the highest speed, 2 is medium, and 3 is low. If you want to turn it off, just press and keep it pressed until it turns off. Although the battery pack is conveniently wireless, it may not last as long as a plug-in power source.